Okay, hello everyone. Today I will be explaining about the reed diffuser sticks very quickly. Very simple object, it's just to help spread fragrance. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so how does it work actually? These reed diffuser sticks, basically they're actually made from materials such as rattan, as you can see in the picture above. And these rattans have all these microstructures as can be seen in the magnifying glasses. These microstructures have about a diameter of around 500 micrometers, and they can accommodate for the fragrance molecules which have a diameter of around 158 micrometers. So it actually helps uh, give it a passage to actually move from the bottom of the bottle, of the fragrance bottle, up all the way into the room through the method of diffusion. And why does it diffuse? It's very simple, because it is moving from a region of higher saturation to a region of lower saturation, being the room, and spreading it out. So you can just set it up very simply as sticks for more fragrance in the room, and this is just one of the ways to set it up. Okay, thank you.
Alright, next we will see how can the process of a diffuser can be modeled. As shown on the screen, the diffuser process can be divided into 3 parts, and we will go through part by part. The first part, oil in the beaker will start to enter the reed sticks, which normally a reed stick has around 20 to 30 capillaries tube. The oil will enter through reed sticks capillaries tube by the process of capillary action. Capillary action was a process where liquid able to flow into narrow space without external force. Next, the oil will then move from the bottom part to the upper part of the reed sticks due to the different concentration. And the last part, as the oil reaches the upper part of the sticks, the fragrant oil will be diffused into surrounding, hence our room will start to smell nice, and that's all.
Next are the factors affecting the consumption rate of the fragrance oil, which include firstly, temperature. Higher temperature causes higher consumption rate by giving more energy to the diffusing molecules, thus making them move faster. Based on the Arrhenius equation, higher temperature also causes higher diffusivity, which also means higher rate of diffusion. The table shows the changes of diffusivity with increasing temperature, same as the graph, which shows an increasing trend of the diffusivity with increasing temperature. By applying Fick-second law, which can be used to a function of time, we estimated the lifespan of the diffuser. However, the estimation is considering that the consumption rate is only affected by temperature. The next factor is the amount of reed sticks used. For this type of diffuser, which uses reed sticks as the diffusion path, the more reed sticks used, the faster the consumption rate, because higher volume of oil can diffuse at the same time.
Okay, for the third factor, which is diffusion mechanism, as we know, there are two different mechanisms of diffusions. Apparently, the diffuser oil consists of smaller size of atoms compared to the reed sticks, hence interstitial diffusion is occurred. It is faster than the vacancy diffusion because of the weak bonding, and also more interstitial sites than vacancy sites to jump to. Alright, with the presence of capillary tubes, the oil will diffuse even faster, and therefore this shows that the fragrance oil will diffuse to the surrounding air efficiently since its diffusivity is higher compared to the vacancy diffusion mechanism. Alright, and the fourth factor, liquid time and volume combination. This table shows that from various liquid combinations, combination A gives out the best result for the use of reed diffuser perfume, which consists of 30 drops of essential oil, 100 ml of hot water, and also 30 drops of polysol B20, which will act as an emulsifier. It is considered as the best as the diffusion will take place, and also there are no separation occurs in the mixture, which it will maintain the diffusion rate the entire time. Unlike the others, some of them will not diffuse at all, or also slowly stop at a point where separation happen. And as you can see here, only A is well mixed and also no separation at all compared to the other three.
There are many alternatives for the oil diffuser, and each of them has their pros and cons. Firstly, is the ultrasonic diffusers. It has a lot of benefits. It does not require much power and easy to clean. The ultrasonic diffuser will disperse this combination into the air, which can act as a humidifier as it releases extra moisture in the air. It is also a very budget friendly as it tends to cost less, but more importantly, it uses much less oil. They also run for longer periods of time, in several cases up to 24 hours before needing to be refilled. The aroma produced by the ultrasonic will be less since the oils have been diluted with water because only a small fraction of the water vapor is essential oil. Next is nebulizing diffusers. Nebulizers don't use water. They also don't have a humidifying effect. The biggest benefit of nebulizers is that they disperse essential oils significantly faster than an ultrasonic diffuser and at a higher concentration. Nebulizers are as much as budget friendly as they tend to cost more and you are using oil far more rapidly, plus you don't get the benefits of humidification. Last is the heat diffusers. As the name suggests, heat diffusers use heat elements to help the essential oil gradually evaporate into the air. Diffusing using heat is an economical yet efficient and silent way to spread the aroma of an essential oil throughout the room. However, the heat used can change the properties of the oil at a molecular level. That is why the best heat diffusers will use a very low heat to avoid drastically changing the chemical constituents of the oils being diffused.
In conclusion, the manufacturer's claim and the calculation result may never be accurate because of many factors, such as shown here, and also the factors explained before. There are many types of diffuser which have their own mechanisms and modifications in order to disperse the scent of the fragrance oil to the whole room. That's all from our team Bamboo Aroma. Thank you.